Good morning, students. How are you? I'm so glad to see you. Students, the theme of our today's lesson, the sea woo. Learning objectives. Understand main points in extended texts on a wide range of familiar and some unfamiliar general and curricular topics. Skim a range of lengthy texts with the speed to identify content meriting closer reading on a range of general and curricular topics. Now, students, please look at the picture and answer the question. What do you think will happen? Okay, thank you very much. Now, watch the video. The sea woo. Students, the next task is to read the text and explain underlined phrases. Larsen buried his head in his hands, resting my hand on his shoulder, put my finger on my lips for silence, stretched his arms, yawned. And the next task, make up the event map. You have to write what happened in the text, when did it happen, where did it happen, who was involved, how did it happen, and why did it happen. Now, read the text and answer the questions. Who was Daniel Defoe? Who was Robinson Crusoe? What dangers did Crusoe on the island? What happened to him on the end? Your home task is to read the extract and decide if the statements are true or false. Our lesson is over. Goodbye.